Assalamu alaikum students, your teacher Zahra Hashmi is here with yet another lesson. Today's lesson is based on your book Oxford Progressive English, unit number 2, lesson number 2 on page number 9. And today we are going to learn phonics. You know the sound of letter E as in egg, egg, and sound of letter R as in ring, ring. And you know when these two letters come together, what is the sound? They make sound. What's the sound? Oh. Now here R is very bossy. When it comes with E, it changes the sound of E. So instead of A, it becomes O. What is the sound when E and R come together? O. Let's have a look at some words. Mother, mother. Father, father. Can you hear the R sound? Brother, brother. Mother, father, brother, all ends with O sound. Sister, sister. Can you hear the sound in sister? Flower, 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 flower. Flower also has an sound in it. Monster, monster. Monster, monster. Water, water. Water, water. Water ends with sound as well. Letter, 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 letter. Letter also ends with an sound. Have you ever received a letter? F, earn, f, earn. Fern also has an sound in the middle. Spider, 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 spider. Now here, spider also has an sound. Are you afraid of spiders? The creepy crawlies? Ladder, 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 ladder. Have you ever climbed up the ladder? And ladder ends with an sound. Win, no, winner. Win, no, winner. It sure was fun learning the sound. Bossy R changes the sound of E. Now we're going to learn Y, the sound of Y. You know the sound of Y? You know it already, isn't it? Yeah, yellow, yeah is the sound of Y. But this Y is very naughty, and when it comes at the end of the word, it makes the sound of long E, as in funny, funny. Can you hear the y sound at the end of funny or E sound? Funny. It's the long E sound Y makes when it comes at the end of the word. So when Y is at the beginning of the word, as in yellow, it mostly makes the sound y, yellow. And when it comes at the end of the word, it becomes naughty, as in funny. The Y is making sound E, the sound of long E. Let's have look at some words to further understand it. Happy, happy. Can you hear the E sound Y is making? Angry, angry. Sleepy, sleepy. Hungry, hungry. Naughty Y is making the sound of long E whenever it's coming at the end of the word. Teddy, teddy. Mummy, mummy. Yes, Y is the letter at the end of the mummy. Daddy, daddy, pony, pony, penny, penny, fairy. Yes, Y is making long E sound at the end of the word fairy. Puppy, puppy. Homework time! Now complete these words either by adding ER or by adding Y. Look at the first picture. It's a picture of a baby. Baby. Which sound can you hear at the end? It is the sound or is it the Y making the long E sound? Baby. So read these words, take a clue from the picture, and complete these words by either adding Y or ER making sound. I hope you'll be able to do it very easily. And once you've completed your work, email it to me at zarahashmi83 at the rate of gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day. Happy learning.